and open it.
Alright, go. Try opening on the sides. Feel where the paper's not right?
It's a box. Did they get you a box for Christmas? It's from Grandma and Papa. Open the box.
Open it up.
Has to get all wrapped.
Look at his foot shake. He's got so much excitement in him. Alright, now open the box up. Open the box up.
He has to get all the paper off first. Wait, go on the other side. Go on the other side. Go around. Go over there. Okay, open it up.
Pull, 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 pull. Oh! What is it?
What is it? Skateboard! It's a scooter.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Say thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Thank you.
Look at me and say it.
Look at Daddy.
Look at the camera.
Okay. Alright. Go ahead.